Hello, this is Jeff Lee from Jeff Lee the Card Lover. Long time no see, everyone. Today I prepared a new self-working card trick using a deck of cards, a complete normal deck of cards. So, what you need is, let's see, okay. What we need is one queen, and let's see. Alright, there you go. We need two queens in this trick. So, what you have to do is to, when you deal down the cards one by one, ask the spectator to say stop whenever you want, let's say around here, and place the queen of spades right there, and place the rest of them on the top. Do the same thing once again, just place the card one by one and say stop whenever they want, let's say around here, and place another queen and place the rest of the deck on top. Now, tell the spectator that when we find people or person, we look into their faces. We find people with checking of faces. So when you spread the card, you can actually see there's only one card, which is meaning face to face each other, just like so. So from these decks, spectator could have stuff whenever they want. But surprisingly, they find their mate, the King of Spades, and for the Queen of Hearts, of course, the King of Hearts. Thank you. Alright, so this is a tutorial for this trick. What you have to do is to place the king on top of the deck and bottom of the deck, just like so. So with this deck, there's king, two kings on each top and the bottom, and prepare these two queens. So after you've done the setting, it's literally self-working. So just deal the cards top to bottom, one by one, and spectator will say stop. Let's say around here. And then place the first queen, place on top. Then, once again, deal down the cards top to bottom. And let's say stop here. Place this Queen of Spades. And then tell some stories. And when you spread the cards, and when you find the cards that are face to face, it's 100%. It doesn't matter where they stop. It always goes match with these two queens and kings. Thank you. If you want to, if you want more tips and why this thing works, I want you to touch this top right video, and you can know why this thing works, and I'm gonna give you a tips about this trick. Thank you for watching.